Hello fans, hello guys all over the world. Greetings from wherever you are. I want to welcome you to the episode 1 of our mega tutorials. I had dropped a video some weeks back that I'm gonna do a full tutorial on how I achieved this structure in Revit and later transfer it into ProtaStructure for structural design and detailed drawings. So, and I told us that I'm going to show us a full tutorial revealing the secrets on how I achieved this using the two softwares. So today is the episode 1 and the beginning of the tutorial. So guys, if today is the first time of visiting this channel, please do well to subscribe, share with your friend, and comment anything that's in your mind about this tutorial. Without further much ado, let's hop into Revit architecture. So I am using Revit 2018. So I'm launching Revit 2018 right away. So please guys, I want you guys to stay tuned to this channel. Stay tuned to this series of tutorial. You are going to learn a lot. I want you to make a difference in your company, make a difference in yourself, make a difference in that new job, those contracts you have. Okay. This is Revit 2018. This is the interface. So once you launch it, you're going to click on new because we want to start a new drawing entirely. When this dialog box appear, you click on this little arrow and choose architecture and click OK. After clicking OK, the drawing window and the modeling window will now come up. So once we have this, we are ready to go. So on the menu bar, we have architecture. For architectural tools, we have structure. For structural drawing tools, we have system. Maybe for HAV, it's Revit is a big package. That's almost all parts of civil engineering. Sorry, almost parts of engineering sector could use. But for the purpose of our study, we want to work with architecture. So guys, once your modeling window comes up like this, the first thing that we need to do is to set our wall size. That is our block size. So when you come to architecture, you will see wall. This is wall. When you click on the wall, you can draw on it. When you draw, as it is now, this may not actually be the main size of the wall that we want. And for the purpose of this study, I want to use 225 by 225 block wall. So we can click on this wall, we can come to property bar. When you come to property bar, you click on edit type. When you click on edit type, you scroll down, you come down, you see this edit under construction. You see edit, you click on this edit. When you click on this edit, you can be able to edit the wall size. So we are going to use 225 by 225. So you highlight that, type 225. And you can click OK, apply, and OK. So our block wall now has been changed to 225 by 225. So that's the first thing that we do before we even start drawing. So we want to confirm if it is really 225 by 225. So you can see the block wall now is 225 by 225. I didn't show you how I got that. I came here, come to the top of the screen, you'll see a line dimension. Once you click on it, you pick it. That's dimension. You click on one part of the wall to the other side and stretch it. The dimension will come up. So now we are ready to draw our floor plan. And mind you, we are at the floor plan level 1, this level 2. It comes as default like this. So this is floor plan, this level 1. So before we draw, we are going to make reference to what we had already done, because that is what we want to duplicate, so that we will have a better understanding of what I did here. So let's quickly go to the floor plan of this drawing. Please, guys, follow up gradually. Follow up gradually. I'll take my time to explain. If there is anything that you don't understand, please make a comment at the comment section. I will reply you accordingly. I will reply you accordingly. So this is the ground floor plan of what we want to produce. This is the ground floor plan of what we want to produce. So I'm trying to zoom it so that we know the dimensions and what we want to do. So as we can see here, this is the lounge. If you watch my previous tutorial, I've taken time to highlight on this lounge. This is the veranda. This is the lounge. This is the counter area. This WC for people using the lounge. This counter, this lobby, this store for the workers of the lounge. So the whole of this place is veranda. The whole of this place is veranda. And we have a door here for exit. We have a staircase here up, and we have a mini toilet here for the sellers, for the store owners. We have store 1, store 2, store 3, store 4, and store 5 in ground floor plan. So each of these store is 4 meters by 4 meters. That is 4,000 mm by 4,000 mm. Then the veranda is 1,500. So taking note of this, I think we are going to start our drawing. So we go to our Revit, we pick on the wall again. Now know that it is 4,000 by 4,000. So we can draw a line, not minding how far is the line. So from here, you can draw 4,000. As you Revit makes it very, very easy. As you are stretching, as you are dragging the wall, you are seeing the dimension. So once you reach 4,000, I will stop. So this is 4,000. This is 4,000. We click and still stretch it downward. So from here, we are going to check if our in to in is 4,000. If it is not, we will adjust. So we click on here. As you can see, this is 3,775. So we don't have any problem with that, because it will be very easy for us to adjust it. So once you put your dimension like this, you can click on any parts of the wall, click on the dimension again, and quickly type 4,000 and press enter. It has been adjusted. It has been adjusted. As you can see, it has been adjusted automatically. So into in of this is now 4,000. So once we have that now, we can now partition this other side too. We click on your wall. Say you still want the wall to be 4,000. 4,000. You can click. You can equally draw anyhow you want it. How many shops did we have? And draw it anyhow you want it. Then later you can adjust it. How many shops did we have there? That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this one is a staircase. So for the purpose of our study, I'm going to make this very, very simple for us. So you can stretch this other wall here. Have what you want. So we now have 1, 2, 3. You can still draw another line. Don't mind the way I'm drawing it. We can still adjust it later. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the sixth one is a staircase. I hope I'm right. So let's start adjusting. So this first one is okay now. Okay, let's take this other side. It is 3, 5, 7, 5. So we are still going to adjust that. So to adjust that, after putting your dimension, you click on this side of it and type 4,000. There are other different ways to do this, but for the purpose of people that are very new in Revit, I want to do it this way so that you can have a proper understanding. And as you are growing with it, you can still know other ways of getting this right more easier than the way I'm doing. Sure, you understand? So we have achieved this 4,000 by 4,000. So we want to achieve this too. So you go to dimension, you click on the upper part of the line and click on the lower part too, and click on this side too. Then you now click on this other side. Type on this dimension 4,000. Click enter. So this one is okay now. So you now go to dimension again. Click here and here. Drop. Click on this other wall because it's this other wall that you want to adjust. Click here. Type 4,000. That one is setting. Same thing to this other side. Click on dimension. Click here and here. Drop. You can equally do it like this and keep so that it will be easier for you. Then you now click on this wall because this is the wall that you want to adjust. Type 4,000. Click enter. It has been adjusted. Same thing, click here. Type 4,000. No, is it 4,000? Yeah, I think so. But you can drag this one out. You can drag this one out so that it will not affect that very partition. So you click here. Type 4,000. Click enter. I hope we are getting it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one's supposed to be the staircase. Let's confirm if what we are doing is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one's supposed to be the staircase. So the staircase dimension is 2,500. So we're going to go back to our Revit. Our staircase here is 2,500. Click enter. So like I said earlier, there are different ways to achieve what I'm doing so easily and quickly. But for the purpose of people that are very new in Revit, I am doing this so that we can grab it easily. You understand what I'm saying? So we are done with this other side. So we are now going to the veranda, this veranda. And this veranda happens to be 1,500. So we now go to our Revit, pick your wall, then start from here and just drag 1,500 or 1,725. Then just drag 1,500 and take it down to this side. You can join it. After joining it, let's shift it. So this is 1,002 something. So you now say, okay, what I want is 1,500. After putting your dimension, you click on this word that you want to shift and type 1,500. You can see it has been shifted, and it is very, very easy. I think we are done with this other side. So let's go to the lounge part of the drawing. This is the lounge. So this is the lounge. The lounge has 5,000, that's 5 meters in to in. So we can go back here and pick our wall and say our lounge is, and just draw this straight line like this, because we may not know what the dimension of that side. We now extend this other side to the right, 5,000, and still take it back. But it's not going to be complete. You pick your line, click here, drop. That's 4775. Now we say, I know I want to shift to this side. As you click on it, you go back to that dimension and click 5000. You click enter. So that side has been completed. So let's start the inner partitioning of the lounge. The inner partitioning, the first partition here is 2050. 2050. I hope you can see it. This is 2050. So now go back there. Pick your wall. Pick your wall. You can just draw. Let me delete this. Let me delete this dimension so that it will not confuse us. Then pick a dimension. Click up, drop. Say, okay, I want to shift you 2000, 2050. Click enter. So that's our first partition. We go back. Then this other side is 2995. You now go back. You need a dimension. No, we need a wall here at 2995. You can just click. You can just draw. Knowing very well, it's very easy to shift. Then pick your dimension from here to here. Then you click on this wall. Type, what was the dimension? 2995. You type 2995 and click enter. So we are done with that very place. Now go back. So okay, our next dimension, our next partition is this counter. And this counter has the same dimension with this WC. That is horizontally for the horizontal wall at 1,500. So we can go back to our Revit. So we are going to offset this wall. Offset this wall by 1,500. So you can just pick a wall, just draw from this place to this place. Then pick your dimension, click here, that is 1,007. Then click on this other wall that you want to shift, click on the dimension again and type 1,500, click enter. Hope you understand. And there's something about this toilet. This toilet has recessed out a bit, and I think it's 600. But before we do that, we know that this counter is 4,000. It's 5,000 at this other end, and at this other end it is 4,000. So we are just going to take this 4,000, put a wall, then the remaining we can recess it out at 1,375 for the WC. So we come here, we pick a wall, we draw a line, we just draw the wall and put your dimension from here to here. Then say that this wall that you want to shift it at 4,000. We grab 4,000. So this place, we've successfully gotten this place. So what remains now is this WC. We've successfully gotten this place, 4,000 by 1,005. So what remains now is this WC that recesses out at 1,375. So this 1,375 recessing outward. So we are going to come back here. And this wall here, it will interrupt us for us to recess. So there's a tool that is called split element. Split element. Still, there's a tool that is called split element. Once we click on this wall, its properties will come out. If you click out of the wall, that properties has gone at the menu bar. But if you click on this wall, the property will come out, split element. So you click on this split element and click on this wall to split. That's to break the wall. So after breaking the wall, you clear the selection here. Click on the wall, drag it up to this place. Click on this wall again, drag it up to this place. Do you understand? You understand that place now? So you can equally pick a tool, a wall tool again, drag this wall like this, just to join. Then pick your tool, click here, pick your dimension tool, click here to this place. The recess was how many? 1,003 was 1,375. So the recess was 1,375. So you click on this side, click on it, 1,375. Type and press enter. So we have achieved that very place now. I really hope we understand what I'm doing. Do we understand? If you don't understand anything, please put it down at the comment section. If you can do this very well, I don't know if YouTube allows people to upload something at the comments. I would say you should just do it, upload, so that I can do it one after the other. So we have achieved this. The next thing that we want to achieve is the bigger lounge area. And what's the dimension? I think it is 7,575. So we go back to our Revit. Say, click on your wall, just draw. Say, pick your dimension tool, click here to here. Say, it's too big. I want it to be 7,575. So you click on the side that you want to shift. Click on the dimension again, on the text again, and type 7,575 and click enter. So we have achieved the bigger part of the lounge. So what remains now is the veranda. Come back to the veranda. Wow, the veranda is 1,200. So we come back. So okay, this veranda, you pick your dimension tool. After picking your dimension tool, you put in your dimension, drag and put. So okay, I want this veranda to be 1,002. So you click on this other part, click on the dimension text and type 1,200. You see. So that is that for the floor plan. We have successfully partitioned our floor plan, and if you look at it, it is very beautiful and accurate. It is very beautiful and accurate. So after doing your partition like this, the next thing that will come into your mind is the windows and the doors. The windows and the doors. Like this, we can still look at it at 3D. Look at it at 3D. Look at how it is. Yeah, look at how it is. Because we have not modeled anything yet. We have not added the windows. We've not added the doors. We've not modeled it. So that was just the floor plan. So that's what makes Revit more easy. The way you draw, the way it's coming up on 3D. Sure you understand. So let's go back to floor plan. Floor plan.
Okay, guys, in our next episode, I will be showing you how to insert the doors, the windows, the step for the veranda, and if time permits, I'm going to show us how to insert the first floor. That's the next floor plan. We'll draw the next floor plan and start the modeling proper. Thank you for watching this video. Don't miss the next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.